second part of fourth episode. In this video, we are going to see about list in Python. And first of all, we need to understand what is list. So list are nothing but the set of element inside this square brackets. So in this example, we have skills equal to the square bracket. Inside that element are like Python, SQL, and ML are the element of list. And we have this marks example also, in which we have stored the number list, and we have this mixed also, where we have stored the mixed type of list. These are some examples of list where they are element were close in between this square brackets, and as we know that string were immutable, but in this case the lists are mutable and ordered, and they can be duplicated. So if you want to write this Python 2 times in the same list, you can do that. That is allowed. So now let's come to the next slide. Now here we have list indexing and slicing. We know that in strings also, for Python or any language, we have this indexing and slicing concept. Like same in list also we have this thing. For a string, we have remember that whenever we define or declare a string, the value will automatically assign to that string from 0 to the number is the size of the string. Just like for this example, if we take it as a string, the first p is like 0, y is like 1, t index value will be 2, like this will be the given. But in case of list, it will be different. For first element, for whole this element, it will be 0. For this whole element, it will be 1. For this whole element, it will be 2. So for each element, there will be index value. This is how indexing works in list, and we can say how to do slicing. So slicing concept like same in string and list also. If I want to print this from Python to SQL, I have to give like 1:3. So it will print 0:3. So it will print like a Python, SQL, ML, and it will skip this AI. If I want to print just from Python and SQL, I have to give like 0 to 2. It will print Python and SQL. We can reverse the list by using this step value, and we can just call any one element by using this index. So now let's see how it looks like in code. First, let's define one list called skills, where we have Python, Java, then C++, and done. So these are some few skills we have assigned as an element in this list called skills. Now I want to access this Java. So how can we access? So first element is like assigned with 0 index value, and the second element for Java, it will be assigned as 1 for Java. So I just need to write here 1 in print function. So this is how we can call our list inside by using index. And let's run this code. We got our output called Java. So I want to print CPP. What will be the index value? First Python 0, 1, 2. So I have to write 2. We got CPP. Here is our answer, CPP. Now if I want to print this type of skills, let's see what will be this. See skills. I run this one and got type of list because it is a list. What if I want to print sub list from this list, like Python and Java? So we can do like skill from 0 to what element I have to print. A Python and Java I want. So I have to give the next element index value to print this previous one. So for Python is 0. I started with 0. Then second is Java, and then third. first L index will be Java and then second index will be CPP. So I have to get second. I've given the second. Now I can run this one. We got Python and Java. So this is how slicing and indexing works in our list of Python. Now we can also print the reverse value by using this index step. Sorry. I run this one, the whole list will be printed in reverse. Yeah, the CPP in Java and the Python. This is how the reverse works. Now let's come to the slide and we are going to see what are the methods in list. So as we can see here, we have some methods in list, like append to append the value at end, like insert to insert the value at position, to remove, and pop, sort, and reverse. Now we are going to see these functions in code, methods in code. Now let's see. At first, if I want to add a JavaScript value as an element at the end of the list, I will be using append. Now let's see, skill.append JavaScript. Now it will append a value at the end of this list. If I want to print, I can write print skills. So let's see what will be the outcome. Here we got JavaScript at the end. Now if I want to remove the value like CPP, I can just write skill.remove CPP, and then I will print that skill by using print function. Now here we got our output. At first it given the appended value, and then second removed the CPP. And I can do reverse also by using a skill.reverse. If I print this, it will print like reversed value, like JavaScript, Java, and then Python. So this is how our methods works in list. Now come to the slide. So these are some lists remaining you can do by yourself to get some more knowledge, and in next video we are going to see our tuple and dictionary. So thank you for this video.